Hi, glad to see you again. Today, I do the final list for OST PoC with Televid.com, a niche and free community focused on forex and cryptocurrency trading, investing, and training. My PoC goals are to create a coin that all members can earn by contributing good content and use that coin to advertise on our website. But within a short time of this POC I just finished, we work with members for interacting with outside content such as post new tweet, like orders bowl, reply to orders bowl and get reward.
This is my website. When visitor or member come to see at tradervid.com, and of course, my POC can be on this environment, but on the dev one at dev.tradervid.com, and I will walk you through the POC with it. I built this as an add-on for Senfuro that anyone can download, install to use it immediately. So whoever want to use it need to enter the OST API key and secret in the option panel. And that's it. Here we go. With current version, this add-on support following type of reward: post new thread, reply to thread, like ordered post. Let's see how it works from interface to backend server on OST view. Key number 1. I post a new thread and get reward. Right after I list post, backend will connect and submit action to OST, as you can see here. Well, the transaction has been successfully submitted. Let's check on OST view. Yeah, it's there. Key number 2. Someone like my thread and I will get more reward. Okay, it's so on OST view again. Someone replied to my thread. He will get the reward by contributing more content. And OST view get the data once more. My website is live for near 2 years now. Whenever OST is ready for everyone to use, the POC will come to live as well. I believe at that time there will be more features to come with the integration so that user can use earned token to pay for ads on our website. Thanks for watching.